Welcome friends in TEKNOversity. My name is Paresh Vrajlal Shaparia. Friends, today we will learn about how are crude oil received and finished products dispatched. Now, let us learn about crude receipts at refinery. From deep sea offshore platforms, crude is loaded on big size cargo ships. These big ships are taken to near sea and tied at single point mooring stations (SPM), which are floating mobile platforms. From SPM, crude is taken to gas oil separation units via pipelines. Offshore gas oil separation units are not so popular. Similarly, crude from onshore fields is transferred to an onshore gas oil separation unit via pipelines. Here, oil from offshore fields is also collected as shown earlier. At the gas oil separation unit, compressed natural gas (CNG), natural gas liquid (NGL), etc. process takes place, and straightway products are given to the market. From the gas oil separation unit, separated crude oil is transferred to marine tank facilities. From marine tank facilities, raw crude oil is then taken to the refinery. The flow of crude oil is depicted by black lines. Now let us learn about finished product dispatches from refineries. Finished products from the refinery are transferred to refinery tank facilities via pipelines. At the refinery tank facility, blending and mixing are done as per market requirements. Products from the refinery tank facility are now transferred to the railroad facility for rail wagon dispatch and road tanker dispatch. For international markets and some domestic market, products are transferred to marine tank facilities. From marine tank facilities, products are transferred to jetties, which are small ship tanker berth facilities at near sea location. Some customers require continuous bulk quantity of product, for which separate pipelines are installed at marine tank facilities and also at refinery tank facilities. You can see the finished product flow with orange color lines. Thank you friends for watching and giving your valuable time.